Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you the state-of-the-art molecular depth estimation model Depth Anything V2, and it will be tested on laparoscopic videos. Let's start. In this video, I am using Depth Anything V2 GitHub code directly. You can clone the repo directly from the Git. After installing the packages, you can run the code on the video using runvideo.py. Here I am using the smallest model available, V80S. To run the code on the GPU, I am selecting CUDA in the map location. For fast execution, I am resizing the image to 720 x 518. In laparoscopic videos, the tissue and the tools are very near and the model is giving good depth separation with tool and tissues. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.